Dear Lavender, recently I've experienced something that I'm sure you and many other people who maybe probably won't watch this video will come to experience. And that thing is a breakup. I don't really know if everyone feels the same, but I assume that everyone feels some sort of anger, sadness, plotting murder. I didn't do that. As you may or may not know, I just recently got dumped by my boyfriend of 2 years. I'm coping pretty well, but I have some advice that I found very helpful, because I've been dumped before, but it's always been from a relationship that's more like a fling than a relationship, and it's like, oh, okay, that sucks, I'll get over it. And this is different because we were together so long, 2 years. I guess maybe that's not a long time compared to some people, but it's a long time for me. But the whole thing just made me really sad, and it kind of made me analyze myself as a person. Not really in a good way, though. I was kind of ragging on myself for a while, which is not a good thing to do, especially if you have really bad self-esteem. Don't do that. Eventually I found a way to really cope with it, was just to focus on what an asshole he is, because he just changed so much, and I know people change, and that's normal. So I just had to focus on the negative, which probably isn't healthy at all, and it's going to result in some terrible psychological issue that I will never recover from. Just kidding. But I've been realizing how much better I feel being single, and I'm probably one of the very few people who experienced that so quickly after being dumped. I mean, I was dumped less than a month ago, and I'm feeling great. I feel awesome. So that's an update on me. What about you? I hope that you are doing well. You haven't posted in a while, so right now I'm just kind of rambling to no one. If you're not going to answer. If you are going to answer, then that's great. I am making this with a purpose. But if not, I like rambling to a camera to make a video that no one's going to watch. So that's always fun and not a waste of time. I should be writing an essay right now, and it's due by midnight. I don't know how I'm going to deal with that, because I don't really understand the subject matter or the prompt. So we'll see how that goes. What else is new with me? My hair's pink. It looks really crappy with this lighting, but it's actually quite vivid. Maybe I'll insert a picture at the end, because I know you give a shit. So yeah. I'm gonna go now. I hope this was a fantastic update for you, or for anyone else who watches us, which I think the only person who's seen the videos are you, me, and my grandmother, and she really likes you and me. But she should like me, because I'm her spawn. Her spawn.